welcome to Wow DIY. Have you ever heard the phrase, "it's as simple as breathing"? It may be simple, but the science behind how it happens is amazing. We have a muscle in our chest called the diaphragm that operates with our lungs to help us breathe. Today, we are going to learn about the relationship between pressure and volume that makes this possible. Let's build our own model lung and see how it works. To do this, you will need a plastic bottle around 20 ounces or less. Make sure the plastic is on the firmer side. A bottle like this is too soft. Also, gather two 7 to 9 inch balloons, some duct tape torn into strips like this, as well as some scissors or an X-Acto knife. Remember, you should check with an adult before you try any of our activities, but especially when using sharp tools. Let's start building. Our first step is to cut the bottom of the bottle off. As I said, this can be potentially hazardous to your fingers, so it might be best to have an adult do the cutting. Next, you will remove the top of one of your balloons. You then stretch the lower half of the balloon onto the bottom of the bottle, like this. Now secure it with tape. This part will act as our diaphragm. Take your second balloon and cut off the rim. Then insert it into the bottle and stretch the top over the bottle's mouth. Use the tape to secure it and create a seal. This balloon will play the part of our lung. Breathing is something we do without conscious thought, but the process is actually quite remarkable. Let's experiment. Pull on the bottom balloon membrane and make an observation. What happens to the balloon inside? It inflates. When we take a deep breath, our diaphragm contracts and flattens. This increases the volume in your lungs and decreases the pressure inside that space, causing air to rush in. When our diaphragm relaxes, the air is pushed out and we exhale. This relationship between pressure and volume is described by something called Boyles Law, which states that as the pressure in a space decreases, the volume will increase, and vice versa. See if the results you observe change in different environments, like outside on a cold day or underwater. You can also experiment with different size balloons and bottles. Just don't forget to clean up all your materials when you're finished. Thanks for joining me today. If you feel inspired to learn more about the science that fueled this experiment, just search concepts like Boyles Law, pressure volume work, and respiration. Remember, you can find more amazing and fun DIY activities at wpafbstem.com. See you next time.